Right. Welcome to Adron Homes and Properties. My name is Phrankleen. I'm a BDE Adron Homes. So I'm in one of the largest sites in Ibadan, West Park and Gardens, Oleo. Okay. The reason I'm recording this, there are ongoing projects on this site. It's a massive one. You can see me in my site boots. All right. For those of you that want to buy lands, invest in the motherland in Africa. Okay, brother? There you go. It's an ongoing project. Okay. And I say to diasporans, come home, come and invest. This is actually granite delivery for someone in the diaspora. All right. Now, what I'm effectively saying is you can invest for as little as 50,000 naira. It's a massive, I wish I had a drone. I'd have flown a drone across so you can see. For as little as 50,000 naira, you can become a landowner. That's someone. So basically, once you're done paying for your land, allocation gets done like this person. You've done the foundation. They're already building. You can see raising the blocks. Now, and these are ongoing projects. I'm just showing you. You can get in touch with me at foodchannel1960@gmail.com. foodchannel1960@gmail.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, look in the description below. You can see ongoing constructions on the site. It's a massive estate, absolutely stunning. This is another project that's near completion. All right, it's absolutely stunning building, bungalow. All right, so all of these, they're going to be converted by Adron Homes to properly tarred road or with interlocking, whatever you want to call it, within the estates. So we've got numerous projects, going on the site. There are plenty diasporans who have jumped on the idea of owning land here. You can own land here for investment purposes, and you can also build your fantastic homes in these estates. It's a brilliant, lovely, lovely, lovely place. The moment you finish paying for your land and you express interest to build, Adron Homes will basically allocate your parcel of land and you can start building. So you can see over here, that's ongoing construction. Get in touch with me, Phrankleen. They're grading the sites, allocating lands. You can see ongoing work. So you can see. Adron Homes, by the way, Adron Homes have got sites across, Nigeria. So send me your email to foodchannel1960@gmail.com and I will most definitely send you the application part. From as little as 50,000 naira. You can basically start paying for your land monthly and you can buy your land outrightly. You can see it. All right. So that's how it works, man. Hello, sir. Hello. Yes. Allah Yafa. Show Mrs. Eniola in the office. So I'm showing you, it's a huge estate. There's a people, ongoing projects. There you go. It's absolutely marvelous. You can invest for yourselves, for the future of your children. You can come and live here. It's a beautiful place, absolutely stunning. So you get all these trucks coming in and out, dropping granite, sharp sand delivering building materials on several sites with ongoing projects. So there you go. And me trying to flip. So get in touch with me, all right? And I'll give you the application pack, man. I'll send you the application pack via email. Phrankleen, send me the application pack, and you take it from there. You can buy your lands outrightly, and it's 100% secure. No games, no jokes, no messing about, man. Dead easy, all right? Look at the projects here, man. Let me show you. Just look at this.